Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A1K, and I'll show you how to take screenshot without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll to the convenience A section, just tap there, and now go to the gesture and motion. And here you'll see the 3-finger screenshot switcher. Just to activate the function to take a screenshot with swipe down with your 3 fingers at the same time, just tap here once on the switcher, and now just when you'll swipe down with your 3 fingers to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot. And now, as can you see, you can edit the screen. I'll show you. You can edit the screenshot. You can send this screenshot to someone. Just tap there, and as can you see, we can send by Gmail or in other options your screenshot. Also, you can cancel this option, and now we can just tap here to the edit. We can just change the size of our screen if you want, and for example, now just tap to done, and you can go back, and now you can find this screenshot in the gallery or here in the photos. And just here you can tap to the albums, and you'll see the screenshot with your the folder with your screenshot, or also here just in your photos. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.